Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We launched yesterday our shortlisted companies for the 18th annual SEE Real Estate Awards in Bucharest, Romania, Bucharest, at the Radisson Hotel. And you may have already gotten the press release, you may not have, but we just thought we'd talk a little bit about with Winston here the nominations, the shortlisted companies, and just to kind of let you know who's all sponsored. We have a lot of great sponsors and participants in this event: Coliseum Mall, First One United Properties, Revitas Capital, Landmark, SEMO, Optim Property Management, Arcadi, Fortress Logistics, a great, I'll go again, have them again, Genesis Property, AFI Europe, Romania, BLD, AC and Company. A lot of retailers coming this year, looking to expand in the region, looking to expand in Romania. Of course, Bogart, the top construction company there, Brisk, Emo Finance, Lee Brick and Wood, Stratulat Nabulescu, Forte Partners, a lot of companies you've been dealing with, you've already heard of, all on board. Griffiths, Canadi, New Work Offices, CDDI, Corporate Due Diligence and Investigations. Of course, Build Green Romania or Build Green CE. We still have them. They're Razvan and his team. The auditor, EY, of course, on there, and our media partners. And our supporting partners, of course, retail, SEE Group, big retail, putting out information. Also, the German Romanian Chamber of Commerce, which is AHK, the Romanian and Greek Chamber of Commerce, Helic, Romania Chamber of Commerce, Marketplace, of course, the Radisson, where we're doing the event, and great foundations built, working on the charity foundations as well. Last year we had UiPath, so still building on that. A lot of new companies, a lot of new investors coming into the market, a lot of properties being also available. So coming up, I noticed we had record number of nominations. We'll go ahead. We'll take a little break. We'll come back with Winston Norman. We'll talk a little bit about the nominations and who's on the short list, what categories we have. I just noticed, taking a look at it, we've got record number of nominations, a lot of and in a lot of deals done this year in the region, a lot of projects on future projects. So very interesting. So we'll take a little break and we'll be right back with Winston Norman, our editor in chief, to talk about the shortlist.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And this is a special edition of the show today, where we're going to be highlighting the shortlist for the SE Awards, which is our 18th annual edition. And we're pleased to announce 26 awards will be given out on the night, covering development, industrial investment, office, and all associated companies and services from the region. From the retailer side, we have AC & Co, C&A, Douglas, Kaufland and Mobia. On the professional service providers, we have Adest Architecture, Chapman Taylor, Build Green, Nuka Space, New Work, Plan Radar, Premier Estate Management, and Rolig Sus Logistics. On the construction firms, we have Bogart, Hydro Top Construct, and Master Build. In the law firm category, we have Dentons, Popescu and Associate, Wolf Tice, Stratula and Abalescu. And on the project management firm side, we have Master Build, Optim Project Management, Sentient, and Vitalis Consulting. In the property management firm category, we have Fortune Trusted Advisors, Castel Group, and Premier Estates Management. On the agency side, we have CBRE, Colliers, Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, Premier Estate Management, SVN Romania, Griffiths Boutique, Green Alley Real Estate, Cadena International Realty, and Castel Group. On the bank side, we have Banca Transylvania, BRD Group, and PP Deutsche PFAN Briefbank. Investment deals, a lot of investment deals in Southeastern Europe this year, and we have Big CEE, who have acquired Delta City Mall in Montenegro. Blue House Capital sold Olympia Tower to Yellow Tree. Speedwell sold a 75% stake in the Miro office building to Hilly Properties. Indotech Group acquired One Victoria Centre in Bucharest. WDP closed a sale and leaseback transaction with Tex and Tapero in Romania. 40 Partners sold U Center Phase 1 to Pavel Holding, also in Romania. EXPO Business Park acquired by SIMO in Bucharest. And GCC have got a couple of deals. They sold an office building in Bucharest, Cascade Office Building, and they sold a couple of buildings in Zagreb in Croatia, which is the Matrix A and B buildings. And Revitas Capital also disposed of the Vitanis Shopping Centre to Practita. In the investor category, we have Fortress REIT Limited, Adventum Group, Hagag Development, Indotech Group, One United Properties, Pavel Holding, Revitas Capital, SIMO, Supernova Invest, and WP Carey. On the developer side, on the residential side, we have AFI Europe, Alessenor, Bogart, Brixwell Investment, Grand Via Real Estate, Hagag, Interdraw, Next Group, One United Properties, Prime Capital Development, and Speedwell. Retail developers this year include AFI Europe, Colosseum Mall, Enhood, Prime Capital Development, Scalia, and Square 7 Properties. Warehouse developers we have CTP, Element Industrial, Master Build, Speedwell, and WDP. Office developers, AFI Europe, Forte Partners, Genesis Property, GTC, Hagag Development, One United Properties, and Speedwell. Moving to the project side, and we have around 11 different categories covering all projects in the region and sectors. On the concept design category, we have American House. It's a refurbished development. We have a C&A store, which is refurbished in Ljubljana. New offices of the Rolig Sus Logistics Group and Unity Park campus in Bucharest. On the refurbishment and extension side, we have AFI Lakeview by AFI Romania. We have American House, which by Add Value Management. We have Colosseum Mall by Colosseum Mall in Romania. We have H2 Door Arghezi 21 by Hagad Development in Romania. We have Slasana Retail Park by Square 7 Properties, also in Romania, and Supernova Ljubljana Rudnik by Supernova Invest in Slovenia. On the residential side, we have Amber Forest Phase 1 by Alessenor, Avalon Estate Phase 1 by Prime Capital Development, Art City by Bogart Romania, Cosmopolit Cantaz Turcino by Cosmopolit Development in Romania, and the Ivy by Speedwell in Romania. On the warehouse side, we have Ocean Kalan by WTB Group, CTP Park Bucharest North, ELI Park 3 by Element Industrial, and Master Build Logistics Park. And also Space Plus by Speedwell in Romania. On the retail project side, we have AFI City Bucharesti Noi, Fun Shop Park Timișoara by Scalia, Prima Shopping Centre by Oasis Development, Spot Shopping Park by Tommy in Croatia, and Stop Shop Velika Gorica by Ima Finance in Croatia. On the office project side, we have AFI Tech Park 2 in Romania, City Island Zagreb Phase 1 by KFK in Croatia, Energy Tower by Smart Development Group in Bulgaria, Globalworth Square by Globalworth in Romania, GTCX by GTC in Serbia, London and Oslo office buildings by River Development in Romania, Muro offices by Speedwell in Romania, One Contraseni Park Phase 2 by One United Properties, Sofia Tower by GTC in Bulgaria, and Tandem by Forte Partners in Romania. And on the future project side, we have many future project nominations. So to cover them all and give as much representation to the region as possible, we have broken these out into many different categories. And we have AFI Arid, which is a retail park by AFI Europe. We have Agora Amber Forest, which is the commercial side of Alessenor. We have City Park Bucharest North, Next Collection, U Center Phase 2 by Forte Partners, Affe Home North by Affe Europe, Amber Forest, One Verdi Park, and Sungate Apartments by Interdraw. In the mixed-use project, we had many nominations in the mixed-use properties, which is a growing sector in the region. We have Affe Brasov and Affe Park Brasov, Central District Lagoon City, One Century Park, Pultim, Silk District, and Unity Park by Genesis Property. And overall awards, we have Professional of the Year, which we have many nominations already. And these are personal awards and very, very popular and highly sought after. And we're still collecting nominations for those. And we also have Shopping Centre Director of the Year awards this year. So please join us on April the 6th, where we will announce the winners. And I wish you a great weekend and see you on Monday.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.